Sqribble Review 2021, The Good, Bad and Ugly. Let's face it, we all want more traffic, more subscribers and more daily sales. And there's one simple solution that still works like gangbusters for this: eBooks. Whether it's a powerful lead magnet such as a free report or white paper, or a Kindle book that you sell daily, digital books are still an awesome way to attract traffic and sales for almost any type of business. But there's just one problem: creating them can cause all kinds of headaches. Writing, formatting, designing, it can take days or even weeks to create an ebook, plus a steep learning curve and a handful of expensive tools you'll need to master before you've even hit publish. But there's a brand new tool on the market that promises to change all that. It's called Sqribble. What is Sqribble? Sqribble is a cloud-based tool that allows you to create ebooks, reports, white papers, etc. in seconds. It uses ready-made templates and drag-and-drop design features that make self-publishing your ebooks a breeze. How does it work? When you log into Sqribble, you'll see a bunch of ebook templates to choose from. These are all based on different categories, so you'll need to find one that matches your market, topic, niche. Once you've selected the template you want to use, you simply click View to see how your ebook will look. Don't worry, we'll add your content next. In this view screen, you can see how the book will be laid out and get a feel for the style. If you don't like it, you can always go back and choose another template. There's 50 templates to choose from, and you can also edit the templates too, in all kinds of ways. You'll notice that the layouts and designs are very slick. They look like professional publications. Next, you'll be asked where you want to source your content for the book. You can choose grab from a URL, start from scratch, copy and paste manually, upload Word file, start from article collection. Let's take a closer look at these options. Grab from a URL. This allows you to insert any URL you want, and Sqribble will automatically pull the content from that page and insert into your book. It strips the HTML code and only inserts the text from the page. This is my fave method, because it saves a ton of time, and allows you to use expert content, with credits, so you can target topics and niches you're not an expert in. Start from scratch. As it sounds, this option allows you to enter your content like you'd enter it into a Word document. You just type straight into the page. Copy and paste manually. This allows you to copy content from anywhere you want, and paste into the book, where the book will format and lay it out for you professionally. Upload Word file. You can get Sqribble to pull your content straight from a Word document, stripping out any code or weird formatting. Start from article collection. Here you can extract content from Sqribble's huge library of private label articles which you can use for free, without crediting authors or linking to the source. It's another great way to quickly fill your book with content, for free. Finally, you'll move to an editing screen, where you can resize text, move content around, edit text directly, add media, links, lists, call to action areas, new pages, and a whole bunch of other options for customizing the look and feel of individual pages or the entire book. You can even add new pages that use a totally different layout to the rest of your book, giving you a huge amount of flexibility and endless options for your book. While editing, another thing I really liked was the themes option. With a single click, you can instantly change the color theme and font style of your entire book. It's like giving your book a new skin, and it's just one more feature that sets Sqribble apart from the other tools out there. Finally, when you're ready to publish, you hit the little Generate eBook button in the top right corner of the screen and voila, your book is now ready. You can either open the book in a browser to preview it quickly or save as PDF. Is Sqribble right for you? If you're already creating lead magnets or ebooks for sale, then I have no doubt that Sqribble is going to save you hours of work and tons of money on freelancers, if you outsource the design or writing side of it. For that reason, I truly believe that Sqribble is well worth the investment and perfectly suited for most small to medium-sized businesses, especially self-publishers and info marketers. It's also a great tool to use if you're a freelancer or agency, working with clients to create professional ebooks, includes commercial rights, plus a done-for-you agency website, which is a big bonus. You could easily charge $100 for this service, and with Sqribble, you could get the work done in way less time than it wouldn't normally take you. The bad. Some of my favorite features are locked behind upsells, 3D covers and flipbook feature. When inserting content from a URL, You need to cite the URL source and/or credit the original author of the content. If it's not your own, this isn't really Sqrible's fault, it's just the law. The good. Easy to use. Glitch-free. Unlimited use, one-time payment. The awesome. Tons of excellent ebook templates. Professional page layouts. Automatic content. 3D cover creator, available through upsells. Flipbook creator, available through upsells. Free commercial agency plus website included. Price. A one-time $47, later will be increased to $197. Click the link in the description below to start earning.